Hi, good evening. My name is Dr. Sumit Mrig. I am Senior Consultant and Head of Department at Max Smart Super Specialty Hospital, Saket. I am also the Director for Sankalp ENT and Cochlear Implant Clinic at Dwarka. Today we are going to talk about snoring and sleep apnea. Now, snoring and sleep apnea is coming out as one of the major health problems after diabetes and hypertension. In every house, if you look, every adult, one member of the family is actually disturbed because he is not able to get a good sleep. He may be snoring at night or may get episodes of sleep apnea at night. This is generally quite bothersome to the society. Now, this problem of snoring and sleep apnea occurs in children and adult age group. In children, the cause of snoring may be due to massive tonsils hypertrophy in the oral cavity or severe adenoid hypertrophy. Now, adenoid is a lymphoid tissue which is generally present behind the nose and generally enlarges because of infections. Now, these kids may suffer from recurrent attacks of acute adenotonsillitis or may have recurrent attacks of snoring and may be sleep apnea. The child may be inattentive or may be hyperactive with reduced performance in the school. They can have problems like bedwetting, they may have depressions, they may have poor performance in the school, they may be irritable. Now, if we carefully examine these children clinically, we may find a very big mass behind the nasal cavity, which can be seen endoscopically or through a simple X-ray of the nasopharynx. Nowadays, with the latest technology available, we have got coagulation technology where a plasma is used to dissect out tonsils and adenoids. The advantage of this technique is that it is done completely bloodlessly. There is no pain. The child can attend the school in about 2 to 3 days and there is 100% clearance of the adenoids from the nasopharynx. The problem doesn't come again. The surgery is done with the help of an endoscope under general anesthesia, where under vision we see the entire adenoid tissue behind the nose and carefully dissect it out with the help of a coagulation technique where plasma is used to melt the tissue. As compared to routine surgery, there is no blood loss. It is relatively painless. There is lesser recovery time and the child can attend school. Now, apart from the pediatric age group, we see a lot of snoring and sleep apnea, which is a cause of major concern in adult age group. The causes may range from deviation in the nasal bone, that is a deviated nasal septum, enlargement of the turbinates, which may be due to allergic hypertrophy. When a patient sleeps, especially it is seen in obese individuals where a lot of fat and soft tissue get lax and it falls into the airway and causes a fluttering sound which we call as snoring. Now, we generally assess these individuals through a special test called as a sleep study in which we come to know about the severity of the sleep apnea. Apart from this, a simple drug-induced sleep endoscopy where we put a patient in operation theatre, just give him a medicine and the patient goes off to sleep. Now, while the patient is sleeping and snoring, we do a fiber optic endoscopic examination through the nose to see what is the exact site of blockage which causes narrowing of the airway. Nowadays, the patient can have both medical treatment as well as a surgical treatment. A medical treatment may actually be in form of a CPAP device which is applied on the nose and the patient sleeps with that device and it sends the air or the oxygen with pressure, but the patient has to apply it every night and has to carry wherever he goes. Now, with the advent of coagulation technology, a surgical treatment is available where a surgery of the palate, the tonsil, the correction of the nasal bone, that is the septum, and the turbinates can relieve a patient of his snoring and sleep apnea. Apart from this, lifestyle modifications, reduction in the weight, stoppage of smoking and alcohol, avoiding heavy dinners at night can also help in reducing the severity of snoring and sleep apnea. For any other queries, you can log on to my website www.drsumitmrig.com and get more information about snoring and sleep apnea. You can also contact me through www.liberate.com. Thank you.